bust down middle part for me. It's the bust down middle part for me.
Jolly old Saint Santa baby. Jolly old Saint. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Jolly old Saint Nick made me wait all year for the 12 months of Christmas screaming ho, ho, ho. Slide down my chimney.
Hi queens, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another day of Vlogmas. Like, y'all are gonna see this particular setup, outfit, hair, and everything on a few different videos because I'm filming tonight and I forgot to film intros for a couple different things, so here we are again. But today's video is all about this hair by Yolova Hair. This is their 26-inch straight human hair unit. It's a 13 by 6-inch frontal. As you can see, I got so much parting space. The hair is so luxurious. Like, look, I can't stand all the way up, y'all. I ain't got no pants on, but look at this length it comes past. It's really waist length. Right now it's not flat iron. This is just straight washed and blow dried, and look at it, y'all. Like, look at it. And so far during my process, I have not experienced much shedding. The only shedding that I experienced was from like cutting my ear tabs, because of course you're cutting into the lace, so you will experience shedding from that. But just like combing the wig in general, like, I've been playing with it all night because I'm not used to having hair on my head like this. So I've been playing with it all night and I haven't gotten any shedding. Don't forget to, check out the links in the description box. Thank you to Yolova Hair for partnering with your girl and sending me over this unit to review for you all. Now, they got some fire 613 units. They got some colorful units. They got some Holland units. I'm finna double back. I'm finna spin the block on the site and go ahead and cop me another unit because, baby, I'm so impressed with the quality. So impressed with the quality. Like, the lace, y'all will see in a minute. Y'all will see. Just stay tuned to the video. Roll the tapes. All right, y'all, so we're gonna get right into this hair, okay? This is a 26-inch straight version human hair unit. A beautiful unit from Yolova Hair. It's 180% density. And it's a 13 by 6 frontal. We love that because I always have an issue with not having enough parting space on a wig. Like, when you get a 13 by 4, like if you got, a longer head, like you want a longer part, you need a 13 by 6 because a 13 by 4 makes my wigs look kind of humpy because the part doesn't go back far enough. Because like my hairline is, I have a full hairline and it's pushed forward. I don't have, like, a lot of women have further back, more rounded hairlines, but for me, I have a very boxy masculine hairline, if you would call it. Like, in high school, people used to ask me if I get edge ups, but anyway, I don't. That's just how my hairline is. So 13 by 6 gives me a lot more room to, like, do what I gotta do with my part and everything in my frontal. This is a 180% density wig, so it's nice and full. Love that for us. We're gonna go ahead and get into it. I will leave a direct link for the wig down below if you're interested. Definitely check out Yolova Hair because I'm telling you, the quality is giving what it's supposed to give, okay? Enough of y'all hearing me talk about it. Let's go ahead and get into the application. Now, I didn't do any plugging to this wig because to me, it looks ready to wear, you know what I'm saying? So we're starting off with freshly washed, short, bald platinum beat, okay? And I've been trying to decide on which wig cap I'm gonna wear because my hair is already blonde, so it's really, you don't see any black hair up under it. So I think I'm gonna go with the light one. I was kind of debating between the dark one too, but I think we're gonna go with the light one because your scalp is lighter than your skin anyway. So I'm gonna do this bald cap and then we're gonna get into applying the wig. I'm gonna get this out the way first and I'll be right back. If you would like to see a detailed video on how I do my bald caps or anything, comment down below and let me know, and I will, give y'all the tea on that. I'm not a professional when it comes to applying wigs, but I get the job done, okay? That's just all you need. So that, period. The bald cap is very crucial when it comes to the wig application, y'all. Like, the bald cap is really the foundation of the wig. And we're using a new hairspray today. I am out of Got To Be glue, and my sister has my other hairspray that I've been using for my last couple wig installs. She has that with her and she's out of town. So Target was out of Got To Be. So I just picked up this. It's the Bedhead Hard Head Hairspray Extreme Hold Level 5 out of 5. So I was like, you know what? Let's just give it a try because I only need it for this ball cap. So let's just give it a try. Okay, y'all. So now that I have my ball cap on, we're gonna get into this wig. Now that you can't even tell because my hair is already blonde. It just looks like I flattened my hair out. Like I said, this is a 26-inch unit by Yolova hair. It is so nice. Oh my God. When I first took it out the pack, I thought it was gonna be like too silky. But once I washed it and blow dried it, oh my God. It's so full. The body yaddy is there. Okay, she's shaking and baking. Hey y'all, it's Editing Beat here, and I just want to pop in and say, y'all definitely have to click the link down below. Check out these units. Yolova hair has so much to offer, so many different units available, and they all fire, okay? And make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video because I do have an announcement, and don't forget to use discount code BEAT at checkout to save your coin, okay? And y'all, let's get into this lace, okay? Before I put it on my head, I gotta show y'all this lace. This is a transparent lace, like, it's giving skin. I didn't do any plucking to the hairline. Like, hold on, y'all about to see. Y'all, look at that. Like, it's full, but that doesn't bother me because my natural hairline is full. So a super like thinned out hairline just feels funny on me anyway. So check into it. Get into it. And I have so much lace, like, I'm a 13x6 girl now, okay? I don't want no more 13x4s. Don't send them my way. Nah, I'm just playing. I'm gonna cut it into like 3 sections first without actually cutting it, just so I can control it a little better while I'm gluing it. Like, I can glue one panel at a time, you know? Oh my God. I'm scared to cut the ear tabs too, y'all. I'm a chicken when it comes to wigs, like, I be so scared, but it's okay. We're gonna get it, girl. Shit, I just tucked it behind my ear. Anyway. Alright, y'all, so I got the wig on. Now I'm gonna use my wax stick by Sugar and Spice Hair Collections. This wax stick is the bomb. I'm just gonna use this to kind of like push my hairline back because I prefer hair out of my face when I have hair. So I'm gonna use this to push the wig back so I can form it the way I need to. But the hair is giving, honey. It's doing what it's supposed to do. I didn't pluck this at all, and that's just my choice. Like, I'm not the best at plucking, and also a thick hairline don't bother me when it's nice because my natural hairline is thick. Not tying the hair up in the scarf is like so hard because it's slipping around. I need one of those little Velcro headbands like Tasha Wash should be using. I can just snap it back there and let it go. I'm gonna let that set. I couldn't find my actually, I know where it's at. My other scarf is in my car and I'm not about to go out there and get it. So this will do for us to do our hair. And I left these little pieces out so I can like cut them and make like baby hairs or whatever, like a sideburn. So we'll see how that goes because, girl, I don't know, but look at how long it is. It's past my boob, yes. Talk about a bad B moment, okay? All right, fold these flaps back for your girl. There's be so much glue on my face. All right, let's get into this makeup. While our hair is setting, our Yolova unit. So queens, remember that special announcement I told y'all about. So tomorrow, Friday, December 3rd, Yolova Hair is hosting an Instagram live on their Instagram account, and they are giving away units, y'all. It's a giveaway. You can also get up to 40% off of your purchase plus free shipping, and if you mention BetheBeat, you will receive an additional savings at checkout. So make sure y'all check out their Instagram live. It's tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't miss it. They're gonna be giving away the wigs, y'all. Free wigs, free wigs. Y'all make sure you check them out, and don't forget to comment BetheBeat in the comment section. You can get extra savings, okay? All right, so I did finish my face off camera and it's looking so good, but now it's time for the big reveal on this hair, baby. Let me get this makeup off my fingers. My camera was overheating, so that's why I finished my makeup off camera. Like, we're gonna cut this lace. I'm so excited, but so nervous. I don't know why. Well, I know why. Cutting the lace is so nerve-wracking because it's like so permanent. Like, once you cut it, you can't put it back on. Now I am gonna cut it very kind of like far at first, just to, you know, make sure I don't mess it up. But when I tell y'all this transparent lace is the bomb, like it's about to really be fire once I cut it, you know what I'm saying? I ain't cut a fresh lace in a minute. I'm doing 80 and a 60 ticket, cause I ain't had it in a minute. I really need some of that sugar and spice mousse, tinted mousse, to make sure my lace ain't ashy. I don't have any. I need to order some. But y'all, when I tell y'all, get my makeup on, get my wig on, it's so therapeutic for me now. Like, when my son goes to sleep, it's my time. It's my me time. It's like mamas never get rest because we're up all day, and then when the kids do go to sleep, we're trying to get some me time in to feel normal. Like, I am always so sleep deprived because even when my son is asleep, I'm trying to feel like a normal human, trying to watch TV or trying to do something, you know what I'm saying? But like, I'm telling you, I feel so good right now. You know, we're getting cute. We're getting our wig on. We're getting our makeup on. We're looking good. You are still that girl, and you deserve to feel as such. You know what I'm saying? You deserve to feel like that girl, because that's what it is. All right, queens, this is the completed look. I was originally going to curl this hair for this video, but your girl is tired. Your girl's been shooting a lot of content tonight. It is now after 3 a.m. The hair is a straight wig, so really this is its true form. It's just washed, blow dried. I didn't even flat iron it at all, and it looks this good. Like, it's the shine, the luster, isn't that what they call it? The luster is giving lustrous. And let me tell y'all, baby, this lace is invisible, okay? Let's just call it the invisible lace. I am really feeling myself. Like, look at, it's a 6-inch parting space for me. This hair looks phenomenal. Like, I can't wait to stunt and flex on all you. No, I'm just playing. I can't wait to stunt and flex on my haters, okay? My haters are my elevators. It's like, I don't even really have haters. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Go ahead and pick your wig up at Yolova. I will leave a link in the description box. Use my discount code to save 20% off. You can't beat that. And go out here and flex. Flex on them, okay? Period. It's the bust down middle part for me. It's the bust down middle part for me. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Beats and love.